What in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here?
I don't know what it is, but it's phenomenal.
All right, people, we're going to try something a little different today.
I cannot solve your problem, sir. Only you can.
Am I missing something?
You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
Don't mess with the bull, young man. You'll get the horns.
The reality is, humans are humans are humans, and that's never going to end.
No, I do mind. The dude minds. This will not stand.
It's a big, big deal.
Hello. You speak English, sir? Parlo usted English?
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
I've done the math on this. We've talked about it on this show before. That's a fact.
You'll learn a little something about yourself.
That's us, dude.
That's why we're radio show hosts.
That's right.
I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad. The dollar buys a nickel's worth. Shopkeepers keep a gun under the counter. Punks are running wild in the street, and there's nobody anywhere who seems to know what to do, and there's no end to it. It's like everything everywhere is going crazy. I don't want you to protest. I don't want you to riot. I don't want you to write to your congressman because I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about inflation and the Russians and the crime in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad.
Let's do this.
Discussing issues that matter to you. Finding real answers using logic and reason. KLZ 560 presents Rush to Reason. Now, here is your host, John Rush.
And it is John Rush, your host, KLZ 560, Rush to Reason, Denver's Afternoon Rush. Our 5 o'clock hour now is upon us. And again, if you missed any of that first hour, which was really good, by the way, I want to keep emphasizing that you can listen between 6 and 7. We went over some of the constitutional things when it comes to the NFL and the players and what they're doing. And I would encourage you, if you didn't listen to that 3 o'clock hour, please listen to it at 6 and hear it in its entirety during that hour. Kurt Rogers now up for our Monday Mortgage Minute. Kurt, welcome. What's going on?
Not a whole lot, just enjoying this beautiful weather we're having.
Yeah, it's gorgeous out.
The sun's going to come back. Yeah, the sun's going to come back out.
Yeah, it'll come. It's out there somewhere. So, all right, so shopping for a new home. We're ready to purchase. What questions do I need to ask to make sure I get the best deal?
Well, there's a couple. The first thing you want to do is, how do I qualify for the best rate?
Okay.
And in order to answer that question, there's some things you can have in place before you get started. You can, make sure you have some form of credit in the past. You know, that how much money do you want to put down, whether you want to put down 1% or 20%. That will help you get the best rate along with your FICO score. Know what it is, know what you can do to improve it. The other thing is picking the right program. A lot of people will start and think that the only loan program for them is a 30-year, but it might not be the best for them because of what they're going to do in a short period of time. If they're going to move quickly, are they going to can their job have them do something else? What loan program fits? Because you got FHA, you got conventional, you got U.S. There's so many loan programs to fit. How do you control the fees? Ask questions. Too many times people will not understand what the fees of a loan are, and some of them are third party, some of them you don't have to pay. But you need to ask. If you see a fee and you don't understand, ask what that fee is.
Okay.
And you should probably start the process 60 to 120 days before you decide to buy.
All right, 60 to 120. And folks listening, please, best thing to do if I were me is I wouldn't even remember the things that Kurt just said. All I would remember is the phone number, 720-895-0500. And if you call that number, Kurt can do the rest, right?
That is correct.
Okay, simple enough. Kurt Rogers, our Monday Mortgage Minute, Affordable Interest Mortgage, 720-895-0500. Kurt, thanks always for your time. I appreciate it.